What if I told you that you can make money from your side hustle, side gigs, and can have financial freedom and time freedom as well? नई careers open हो चुकी हैं because of one very important technology called AI. In this video, I welcome you where we talk about how do you build your business by leveraging and using the power of AI. Now think about this. AI के आने से, for example, ChatGPT, because of tools like these, हम लोगों की life ना, it has gone to the next level. नए career, नए दरवाजे, नए opportunities open हो चुके हैं. तो क्या है वो नए दरवाजे? क्या है वो नए careers? In this video, stay all the way till the end. I'll share with you what are the new career opportunities that you can grab, whether in a job or in a business. You can leverage those and make more money. Now think about this. Have you seen people who are actually quitting the jobs or while they're doing the job, parallelly कुछ नया सीख रहे हैं? अगर आप कुछ साल पहले जाएंगे ना तो क्या होगा? You would see a lot of people buying a lot of software development courses. सब लोग टेकी बनना चाहते थे, right? But fast forward today, the new gigs are not just software development. Softwares are already there. How we can use those softwares and become smart by becoming a designer, creator, virtual assistant, content managers. There's so many options have opened up, all thanks to AI and ChatGPT. So let's go deep dive into this concept and tell you what are the various ways that you can leverage ChatGPT and have new career and new side hustles as well. For example, you are a content marketer, let's say content creator. With the tools that is available right now like ChatGPT or other tools of AI, you can do more. You can leverage their technology to create more innovative designs. You can do scheduling, you can do strategizing of content creation, and you can do the analysis and tweaking of so many content strategy, all thanks to this tool called ChatGPT. तो अगर आप स्मार्ट हैं, मैं जानता हूं आप स्मार्ट हैं, तो आप क्या करेंगे? You will use this tool and produce the valuable content which will make big impact on your clients, and because of that आपको रेफरल मिलना शुरू होंगे. तो अगर आप कंटेंट क्रिएटर हैं तो आपका कंटेंट ना कि जस्ट नेक्स्ट लेवल पे जाएगा, but your business also will go to the next level using these tools. Now by the way, this ChatGPT का बहुत डिबेट होता है कि this will discontinue a lot of jobs and people will lose their job, content creators will go out of business. No. In fact, content creators will be able to leverage this tool and take their business to the next level. But जो smart है वो उसको use करेगा और अगले level पे लेके जाएगा. So what are the avenues? क्या आप कर सकते हो using these AI tools, side hustle, side gigs? Let's talk about social media manager. So content creator एक छोटा सा example था, but we go deep into each and every aspect कि social media manager को क्या फायदा होगा इससे. Now, social media management, this is a very fast growing industry. Now, as per a lot of surveys, it has grown double-digit growth year on year. Number two, it's a high demand. As per KPMG, 80% of Indian consumers use social media for research before purchase, right? Now, business need, all the people running business, they need the skilled social media managers. Number three, the earning potential from social media management, it can start from just charging 5,000 to between 20,000 or even upward. If you have right skills, if you're doing right things for per project, you can charge this kind of money. Number four, what is the most common challenge for social media managers? सबसे बड़ा challenge है, because of the technology changing, the taste changing, it's very difficult today to have the audience who can engage more with your content. It could also be overwhelming to manage multiple accounts. And finally, lack of proper strategy. Let's talk about the solution. What is it that you can do using ChatGPT and how do you manage the social media accounts for other people? Number one, account setup assistance. Number two, content creation support. Number three, scheduling help. Number four, community management aid. And finally, customized social media strategy. It's a vast ocean, ChatGPT. Now, are you good at administrative stuff? Like, are you good at managing tasks, getting the work done? Great. Guess what? This is another opportunity that you can use ChatGPT and make a great career. It's called virtual assistants. Now, think about virtual assistants. As the businesses are growing, the tasks are growing. Somebody like me, man, I'm not able to catch up to so many tasks that I have, having so many team members, so many accounts, so many initiatives. I cannot catch up with everything. People like me need assistance. Now, companies like us, we can afford to have full-time onboarded assistant. We don't need virtual assistant. But there are a lot of companies, mid-sized companies, small companies, they will be happy to pay you or the people to become a virtual assistant. You can provide virtual assistant services. You don't have to do a virtual assistant service yourself. You can have an agency and you can provide virtual assistants. So that demand is very high, and if you can supply the solution as a virtual assistant, people can make a lot of money. And as per one of the survey recently, the industry is supposed to grow at about 34% CAGR in the year 2021 to 2026 in India. So what is the earning potential here? Now, this earning potential for 1 hour, 1 घंटे के लिए 300 से 1000 can be charged. Now, it may look like, oh, it's not a lot of money, but if you multiply that with, let's say, 10 hours, if you're charging 1 hour, you can make 10,000 in a day. That means in a month, if you're working full-time, 8 to 10 hours, you can easily make 3 lakh odd, right? 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees just from being a virtual assistant. So in this is where you can maximize earning with ChatGPT. You can have 10x speed of growth. Assistance in various tasks like administrative tasks, email management, appointment scheduling, research, and data entry. Next opportunity that this new technology has created is content creation. Now, if you look at the data, पागलों की तरह data बढ़ रहा है. Do you know every second how many millions of posts or data are uploaded in our universe? It's not even the banking, even the social media content within the company. Every second, so many contents are just being populated, which has created a lot of demand for content creators. That, man, there is a demand, you need to supply. So if you become a content creator using technologies like ChatGPT, you will be able to grow faster. Now, content is king. And if you are the skilled worker, you can make a lot of money. Now, here is the earning potential. The average hourly rate is 900 to 1200 rupees in India. The average project is 5,000 to 50,000 or even more depending on the quality of your service. Now, what are the challenges here? Now, challenges could be multiple projects which could actually drain your energy. What is the solution? The solution is you can use ChatGPT and create multiple content, right? From the write-ups to emails to posts, to landing pages. You just give simple commands and voila, genie appears and all the content is in front of you. Of course, you need to be smart to be able to give them the smart commands. But if you can leverage this, you do not even have to use your brain a lot because a lot of research and time has already been put by the technology. You just have to be smart to catch the right thing at the right time. Now, here's the word of advice for all the content creators using ChatGPT. Please don't just rely blindly on ChatGPT. Use your flavor, use your brain. It's just like, if you copy something brainlessly, you will end up with a disaster. So it's better to copy with smartness. Next opportunity, website development. आज की तारीख में, if you do not have a website, then probably it's very difficult for you to scale your business and grow. Right? Website can do a lot of things, right? Host your videos, host your posts, right? You can have engagement, you can have forms, people can buy from you, generate leads for you. And this can easily be taken care of by the tools available today. But if you see today, businesses are actually facing big problem in creating the website because there are so many things that goes in creating a website. For example, defining the website goals and objectives, creating user personas, identifying the right tools and the platform for the websites, creating visually appealing designs which is in line with the brand values and ethics, incorporating SEO so that you can maximize your reach through website, making sure that website really works on all the platforms through the web, through mobile, through all the other technologies and tools available. integrating third-party tools and the softwares just like payment gateways and social media platforms. Now, ensuring website security and making sure there are no cyber attacks. All these makes things very complicated. Now, because of all these complications, websites that are being developed are poor in performance, poor in loading and results. People don't get value from websites. Now, what if I told you that there was a solution which you can use not only create a great websites, but also deliver great results, and you can onboard more clients because you can deliver things fast? What is the answer? ChatGPT and the AI tools available out there. Now, with this, you can access so many resources, which is like articles, videos, courses, which can help you to learn more about developing the website fast. This also can be very helpful to be able to get the guidance on what is it that is required to upgrade your website. So these tools actually help you to go next level. Now, in India, an average developer can earn 25 to 75,000 per project. With ChatGPT, I'm sure you can multiply things even faster. Next area, data analysis. As we spoke about creating data, once data are creating, a lot of things are moving in different businesses, it is becoming difficult for people like me and other business owners to understand what are the patterns, like which one product is selling more and all. And people like Neetu, one of our mentee, Neetu, she is providing data analytics service, and within 12 months, she went from making 20-30 lakhs to generating more than 1 crore in her business. Why? Because of the data analytics need and demand is very high. In today's time, it is very crucial for businesses to make informed decisions. And for this, you need the data, you need the analysis, you need the insight to be able to make great decisions. Now, what is the opportunity? The opportunity for number enthusiasts, the data analytics people. The market is growing very fast, and the global market is going to reach about $132.9 billion by 2026. What is the earning potential? The earning potential is from 50,000 to 1.5 lakh per project in India. ChatGPT's benefits when it comes to data analytics. It has a knowledge base which results in easy access to information and data. Personalized recommendation. There are relevant articles, courses, videos which can help you to boost your learning. Data visualization. Now, with the tools that is available, you can create a lot of visual data analysis which can be helpful for decision making. Data cleaning and processing. There are so many tools that is available within ChatGPT and other places that you can clean the data, customize it in a very easy manner. Data analysis. Now, there are a lot of tools available which recommend statistical methods and refining of data easily. Next opportunity is marketing. Now, marketing is the most crucial aspect of business because lead nahi to sales nahi, sales nahi to revenue nahi, revenue nahi to dhanda nahi, dhanda band. So marketing is very, very crucial for any business. Now, the tools like ChatGPT makes marketing much easier and better. Industry growth in India. As per KPMG, this market or industry is going to grow from where it is to 33.5% CAGR from now to until 2025. What is the earning potential? In small business, campaign management can go from 20,000 to 50,000 for a project. For the large companies, it can go from several lakhs to even crores when it comes to marketing. So the ChatGPT benefits when it comes to marketing. Number one, effective marketing strategies and plans. Now, the specific, tactical, focused approach when it comes to target audience in the market. You can tweak existing plan to meet with the client's vision and the mission. Create engaging and compelling content for the campaigns. Variety of content types starting from blogs, articles, posts, so many things they can create. Fine-tune the content in line with the client's brand voice. Conclusion. That means ChatGPT, my friend, is one of those tools which can help you to have the side hustle, side career, side money, even in your business that you have. Use it, leverage it. Now, if you want to know more, we are creating more content about ChatGPT and other tools or businesses. Check out the links, check out the case studies that we're creating, check out what are the 21st century career options. go learn and implement these strategies. If you want to learn more how to find your passion and build the business around it, you can click the link in the description and join the webinar and follow the process. This is Dev Gadhvi. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.